Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. I have some dishes to share with you today and I have some other things too. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I think I'm going to show you the dishes first today, just to get those out of the way. And the first thing I found was $2.99, and it is this cute little platter right here, and it has adorable pink flowers on it, which I think are so pretty. I am pretty sure I may have a plate identical to this already. I'm not sure, but it looks very familiar to me. So yeah, I cannot read the markings on the back. It is two little Bavarina. I don't know. I can't see it. But anyways, I thought it was gorgeous. I love the little pink flowers. $2.99. That was awesome. And I like the small platter size too. I think it is so cool. So that is really neat. The next thing I found was $1.99, and I actually found two of them. They're each $1.99. And the first one looks like this. It's just a big old huge white plate. And then I found another one that matched it. So I have two of these, and they are both ironstone, which is awesome, and they were only $1.99, which is crazy. This is the Federalist ironstone. My lighting today is really bad, I'm sorry. It's very overcast, and it just keeps kind of getting darker and lighter. Anyways, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but it's got a little bit of just a simple recessed edging along the side, and then it's got a little bit of fluting and kind of, I don't know what you would call that. Not really fluting, but it's not exactly smooth either. Just a little bit of detail here and there, which I think is gorgeous. This would be really cool to have for on my hutch to like maybe layer things in front of it, or like on a plate rack. Or these are actually big enough, if I could find more of them, to use as chargers for other plates. So these are awesome, and I'm very excited to have found those. So the next thing I found, and I already took the tags off of these because I wanted to use them right away, but it is this little mini stack of bowls right here. There's four of them. I believe they were $1.49 each. They are by Cordon Bleu, and I just think they are so adorable, and they're so tiny. Look at how cute they are. I just love them. So adorable. I like this, got little detailing on the side here, and I like that it's kind of got this little pedestal base, which is super cool. So I bought these, of course, because they're miniature. I can't not get anything that's miniature because I think that is so adorable. Hopefully they'll show up. There we go. And I got them for my cubby here in my kitchen. So I think these will fit in there perfectly. I've already tried it out, and I'm very excited about that. They also make great like dipping size bowls for like ketchup or ranch dressing or a little vegetable dip, something like that. These would be perfect. I could actually, these are in perfect condition. I could actually stick them up on my cupboard up there, which is now completely bare because I need to do dishes. Yeah, I mean, we could use those very easily here in the house if we needed to, because they seem to go through cups like this quite a bit with the girls. They love these things. So I may just not use them only for decoration. Anyways, so moving on, I wanted to share you this shirt. Zoe picked up a shirt. It was $1.99. It's so funny. It's just a white, kind of like a flowy material shirt, but the pattern on it is got these little things on it, like little fruit. It's got pineapples, bananas, oranges, little watermelons. I don't know why she was like drawn to this. I know she likes blue, and this looks like a really nice little flowy shirt to like wear over a tank top or something like that. So she picked that out at Goodwill this weekend. I thought it was adorable, so I'm like, alright. So I need to get that washed up for her. So then I looked at the books. I don't normally look at the books because I have such a big collection of vintage books already. But for some reason, I was really in the mood to shop. And when I'm in the mood to shop, then I'll normally go through the book section because that takes quite a lot of time. And I was very happy to come across some very vintage books. They're both kid books. Actually, all three of them are, but these are really little kid books. This one is Animal Riddles, and it's one of those Dr. Seuss books from like, I can't remember the name, how old this one is. Let me see. This one is copyrighted in 1964, so that is super cute. I remember this one from when I was little, and I thought it was so adorable. Huh? Okay, looking for... Alright, so then the next one is Bambi Gets Lost. I love the little Bambi book. Oh, it was scratching me. Okay, and I just had to get this one. This one is also very old. It has great illustrations in it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show it to you. Hey, oh, I just hit myself with it. Anyways, look at that. Isn't that cute? And a little sleeping Bambi. Oh. So this one I believe is from the 60s also. No. Oh wait. I can't read. I need my glasses. Copyrighted in 41 and 72. So this one's only 2 years older than me. Haha. So that was really cute. I thought that was adorable. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. If I'm going to end up selling them, or if I'm going to try to like make something with the cute little illustrations. I don't know what I want to do with them, but I just had to have them. And they were like, ended up being only like $1.50, which I thought was a really good price. The next book I picked up is more for my daughters, or myself for that matter, and it has awesome brown pages. I mean, look at that. It's just perfectly colored pages. But the book is Rebecca of Sunnybrook Farm. Have you read this book? Oh my goodness. This is a book from back in my past. I've read this book so many times when I was a kid, like probably mid-teen to teenager. I just love this book so much. It was one of my absolute favorites. And I don't have a copy of it. My mom has a copy of the book that I used to read all the time. And I've never really asked her for it because it's still sitting on her bookshelf. So I found this one. It was $1.50 as well. I could not pass it up. And my daughters have not read this one. So Zoe's very interested in reading this as well. And this one is copyrighted in 1965. So I just thought this was super cool. I love, you know, I love old books to begin with, but when they have a little bit of a special meaning, they make it even better. And it's got some really pretty colors, so I think it's awesome. I am loving that I found that. That made my day when I found that book. I will most likely read this book again also, because it has been years, probably like 20, 25 years since I've read this book the last time. And anyways, yeah, I just love it so much. And I am sure I will re-love it as well. So the next thing I found was $2.99, and it is this little zippered pouch. It's got a crazy, crazy pattern on it, but it goes inside my purse. It doesn't matter. I liked it because it had a nice flat bottom, so it would sit up in my purse once I filled it up. Now I have one that's probably half this size in my current purse, but I'm switching to a bigger purse, so I figured I could use a bigger zippered pocket. Benny, you stop whining. Yes, you're so cute. I love you. So I thought this was a great find. This one is actually a Clinique. It was probably in one of those little, you know, their Clinique boxes that they have every now and then. I'm pretty sure that's probably where this came from. So I thought it was a really nice size, and it will go nicely in my purse to hold all, you know, those little bits of things that get lost in the bottom of the purse. That's what I use those for. Like my lipstick and my little ibuprofen and eye drops, all that kind of stuff. So these are handy if you don't already have one in your purse. And they always have a ton of them at the thrift stores. So if you need a new one, go to the thrift store and get yourself one, because mine was $3, which is awesome. So the next thing that I picked up is super cool, although it cannot be used for what it is intended for because I don't have the right part. But it was $1.99, and it is this right here. I believe it's like a robe hook. You hang it on the wall, and then, you know, you hang towels or robes on it or whatever. I thought it was awesome because it has the porcelain and it has the silver. And I love porcelain and silver together so very much. The problem is there's a mounting bracket that's supposed to go in here, which I don't have. And I don't know if I can get a replacement mounting bracket. I might be able to if I can figure out who made this. but it's not marked at all. So I may do a little research to try if I can find that. Otherwise, I can actually remove this part of it and then just screw this into like a block of wood or something like that and hang it that way on the wall, which would work just as well and look nice also. So I'm very excited about this. For only $1.99, I'll figure out some way to use it. And then finally, I found one more thing today, and it is a candle holder, and this is actually a repeat item for me, and I was so excited to see it at the thrift store because I love the one I picked up probably been 3-4 months ago already, and it was $2.99, and it is this candle holder right here. Now, when I bought the other one months ago, I loved it so much that I didn't even share it in a thrift store Thursday. I just started using it right away. I got home, I put it in my bedroom, and I pretty much use it every single night. So it has this cute little holder thing that you put the tea light in, and then you can lower it down in there without burning yourself. And it just sits, it's got a little hole down in there that it kind of sits in place, and it just kind of sits off to the side. But this thing is so beautiful when it is lit. All these little crystal beads just glow, and it is so gorgeous. And I am so excited to have another one of these. I think they will look so nice in my bedroom on either side of my bedroom shelf, and I'm so excited to use these. So very excited about that find, and that was like the score of the day for me. Well, other than the ironstone plates, that was pretty cool too. So alright, so that is what I picked up this week at the thrift store. I am so excited about my finds this week, and I would, of course, love to know what you found this week when you went out treasure hunting as well. So let me know down in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you again next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. Bye now.